Hi guys, happy Tuesday. Hope things went well yesterday and kind of made sense what's going on. I sent an email yesterday, well, it's just a couple minutes ago, but in your time, it was yesterday, just kind of explaining that from the sounds of it, most people did not complete their poster, so that's fine. So you will get time today to work on that, and then we'll move forward from there. So here is what is going on today. Um, the first thing I'm going to have you do after you get done watching this video is to take the quizzes. I'm going to post a link to the quizzes down below here, and then you can take that once, you can take it twice, you can take it 30 times if you want. And plus, I'll leave it up as a good study guide. We'll plan on next Tuesday being your test. So basically a week from today, because today would be Tuesday that you're watching this. So in 1 week, you'll have your test on plants. And then, so I'll leave that link to the quizzes open so that you can use that to study anytime you want. Maybe if you're really bored over MEA break, you'll want to do some quizzes. Hopefully you guys have all been well behaved for the sub. Please be on your best behavior. I don't like having things really loose where there's some free time, just because it tends to cause maybe more behavior issues. But just make sure that you're being very respectful, being good people. If you're done with all of your work, you've got some time, just quietly, find things to do. So today, what you're going to do, you'll do the quizzes, and then if you have your poster that you need to finish up, I want you to work on that. When they're all done, we can put the posters, I don't know, maybe we'll put them at the end of the hour, maybe back into that cupboard where we stored them, just so they're out of way and people aren't messing with them. I would like today for you to take some time to go around and see, how about if everybody in here, if you go and visit at least 8 to 10, I mean, you could probably do everybody's, but let's say at least 10 other people's posters. So when people are done, go around, check it out, see what their questions were, see what their comments were, check out the pictures. Hopefully we have a couple that are wall worthy, and I'll take a look at them next week when we come in. So that's what you got going today. If you already finished your poster, there's not a whole lot you need to do today other than the quizzes. And then finish posters, and then check out the other ones. And then tomorrow, I think I'll put together maybe an ed puzzle or something that we can do tomorrow. So that's your plan for today. Again, be good people. Good luck with finishing your poster. And if you have any questions or concerns, just shoot me an email. I'll be here. I've got nowhere else I can go. All right. Have a good day.